I started doing roofing since 13 years ago, and all that experience that I get from the field makes me have the experience to provide a good quality materials with a great craftsmanship installation. Some of the types of work we do is asphalt shingles, treetop, architectural. We also install metal roofing systems like a standing seam, multi-reef, and custom fabrication for ornamental shapes. I have a wonderful family. I have my wife and 3 kids. They mean a lot to me, and that inspired me to wake up every morning and go work and do a good work and great service for my customers. Thanks for taking the time to see this video. If you're considering us to do your roof replacement for your home or your business, please give us a call.